The most rewarding part about working in real estate is seeing the smiles and excitement on our clients' faces when they get the keys to their new home. We're not just in the business of quickly selling you a house, we want to create a relationship that lasts a lifetime. We don't only want to earn your business, but be a part of your big moments, celebrating with you through changes in your lives and changes in your families, and being there as a friend along the way. We just feel so lucky and honored to be a small part of our clients' lives and stories. We understand that buying and selling a home can be overwhelming. What's comforting about working with our team is that we're small enough to give every client that personal touch, but large enough to always be available for our clients' needs. Whether that's showing homes, researching homes for sale, or just getting on the phone to chat, our team is always there for you. Not only are we there every step of the transaction, but also our friends of MDRE become a part of our family. We host client events, we drop off seasonal treats, and we love connecting with you for years to come. We all have our skills and strengths, and we work together seamlessly to give you a concierge level of service without feeling as though you're being passed off. This is a team effort, and we all work together to help you find a place to call home. Our goal when you're buying or selling with our team is one word: trust. You can trust that we will do what's in your best interest and be responsive to your needs. When Brady and I bought our first house, the first thing we did was paint our door to reflect our style. It felt like the first adult step to buying our first home. It was reflective of this new journey that we would go on as homeowners, and has been a special part of our logo and our branding ever since. The future of our business is to stay small and detail-oriented, to feel like a boutique-style team that's family-friendly, while also having our current clients always refer us and, most of all, trust us. I am Meghan Dickey Hale.
I'm Brady Hale.
And I am Whitney Watson.
And we are Meghan Dickey Real Estate.